I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the project and confirming assets are available. This avoids missing media during render. Once done, set your frame size, aspect ratio, and slide timing so the export matches the intended playback. Make sure to choose the container and codec early because they determine bitrate control and compatibility. You should also pick the output folder on a fast drive. This reduces write bottlenecks. Finally, name the file clearly so you can find the final render immediately. Now you configure the export dialog. Pick MP4 with H, 264 for broad compatibility, or AVI with a lossless codec if you need editing later. Once selected, specify bitrate mode. Constant bitrate gives predictable quality, while variable bitrate reduces file size with peaks preserved. Make sure audio sample rate and channel layout match your source to avoid sync or quality loss. If you have subtitles or captions, embed or export them here. Then preview the export settings summary before starting the render. You begin the render and watch the progress pane. If errors appear, note the exact message. Once complete, verify the file on multiple players to confirm resolution, audio sync, and absence of dropped frames or artifacts. If something is wrong, export a short 10-20 second section to isolate the problem quickly. Make sure drivers and codecs are current and try switching bitrate or container if artifacts persist. If performance stalls, render to a different drive or reduce background tasks before re-rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.